Hi there, welcome to Smart Quiz Builder. My name is Veena Prashant. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a Facebook app ID. So log into your Facebook account, go to developers.facebook.com, and here click on My Apps. It'll bring you to a page like this. Click on Create App to add a new app. And then select Business and continue. App display name. App contact email, enter your email here. App purpose, so you can select this and then Create App. So on this page, click on Settings, Basic. It will bring you to a page like this. Enter your domain name, contact email, and privacy policy URL. Make sure to enter this here. And it has to be a valid URL, otherwise it will not work. And choose a category. Select Business and Pages. Save changes. All right, so this is saved. Now keep going down on this page. Click on Add Platform. Select Website. Enter your website URL. And save changes. And so this is the app ID, and you can insert this in the SQB settings page. You can insert this in Smart Quiz Builder settings page. Under external integrations, you can enter your Facebook API key right here and click on Save to save it. So now if you want to allow your users to share their quiz results on social, on Facebook, on Twitter, then you can go to Facebook share page. And here it picks up the Facebook app ID from the settings page. Select your quiz here. Enter the share title. So just follow the steps here. Show share button if you want to display a share button on the quiz outcome page. So this is what will be shared. So you can customize the message. This is for Facebook. This is for Twitter. And upload an image that you want to allow users to share. And this is customizable. You can upload your own image here. Enter the URL of the page that should be shared. So when someone shares the quiz result, they'll be sharing the content that you have here, this image and all of this content. But if they click on it, where should it link back to? So that's what you can enter here. Enter the URL of the page that should be shared. And you can click and edit this text and go ahead and save it. So now on the final results screen, when someone completes the quiz, they'll be able to share it. Let me show you that. All right, so this is a quiz. I'm going to click on this button to take the quiz. I'll go ahead and opt in here. All right, so you can see here, the share button is here. I'm going to click on Facebook button to share it on Facebook. So this is a message I customized in the back end. And this is the image I customized in the back end. And this will link back to the URL that we have set in the back end. And users can click on this button to share this on Facebook. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, do let us know. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.